This one is a Mark 78 AE, serial number 1253815. Mercury. God, the transom's rotten on this thing.
Look at it, Phil. It's stuck in the ground.
Stuck in the ground. This one you got to reverse?
Yeah.
What's this now? Is this the starter?
Nope. That's going to be the distributor, I would assume.
Distributor on there?
Yeah, it's been stripped. People have borrowed stuff off it.
Think you borrowed some?
I didn't. Somebody else might have. If anybody had asked me, I'd say, yeah, go ahead.
Bizarre. There it is.
Up front, Phil.
This is the SS Minnow. 3-hour tour. Ooh, look at this control. Key K for silver.